Hello everyone, I am Manish Sunwar from Everbrisk and today I'll be discussing about the reasons to learn JavaScript. So without delaying time, let's start with the introduction to JavaScript. What exactly is JavaScript? Not to be confused with Java, JavaScript created by Netscape Communications first appeared in 1995. Its developers define it as a scripting or programming language that allows you to implement complex things on web pages. JavaScript makes web pages more dynamic and user friendly so that they respond to visitors' actions. Or to put it another way, JavaScript makes web pages interactive. JavaScript was once called LiveScript, but due to Java's popularity, it was rebranded to take advantage of that fame. You could say that the newer language hitched its wagon to the rising star and went along for the ride, attracting its vast following in the process. So, with this in mind, let's explore 10 compelling reasons to learn JavaScript. 1. It's the most popular programming languages. We start our list with possibly the most significant reason. According to StackOverflow.com, JavaScript is the most popular programming language used by professional developers today. Even backend developers choose JavaScript more often than not. It's in our browser. JavaScript is, without question, the default language of the internet. You need to look no further than your browser for proof since JavaScript was most likely used to develop it. Since browsers are a necessary part of any user's online experience, it's easy to see why JavaScript is so significant. 3. JavaScript also exists outside of the internet. JavaScript has many uses that go beyond its traditional internet roles. It powers smart televisions, works with the Internet of Things, that is IoT, creates native apps for iOS and Android, and builds cross-platform desktop apps to name a few. 4. JavaScript is ideal for newbies. Since it's already installed on every web browser today, JavaScript spares the rookies from the core of setting up a development environment. Newcomers can jump in and start coding. It's one of the most accessible entries into coding available, a value added for beginners. There is also a large online community that offers support and advice. Also, JavaScript is an excellent tool for beginning programmers who want to expand their skill set into other languages. JavaScript supports valuable skills such as object-oriented, functional, and imperative styles of programming. Beginner developers, in turn, can apply these skills to any new language they want to learn, like Python, Java, or C++. 5. JavaScript is easy to learn. Not only is it a natural language to use, but JavaScript is also easy to pick up. JavaScript turns intricate details into abstracts, making things easier for the newcomer. Unlike the higher level languages, JavaScript has more of a natural language feel to it. 6. You can create visual effects and other eye-catching aesthetic features. There's building a web page and then there's building a visually appealing web page that attracts the user's attention and encourages interaction. JavaScript is so versatile that you can use it to easily add cool design elements such as animation, interactive maps, and scrolling video. Organizations and clients want web designers who can not only put together a technically sound page, but one that also will lure visitors. If you know JavaScript, you can deliver. JavaScript is versatile. Far from being a one-trick pony, JavaScript empowers a programmer to handle any aspect of app design. Do you want to do user-side front-end coding? You can do it in conjunction with Angular. Are you more interested in the server side or backend? Bring Node.js into the mix and you can do that too. You can also create desktop, mobile and web apps with Electron, React Native and React. If you are intrigued by machine learning, then JavaScript will help you there as well. 8. JavaScript also affects big data and the cloud. JavaScript Object Notation, that is JSON, is the go-to standard for data exchanges on today's internet. NoSQL databases use JSON documents for record storage, and although JSON plays well with any programming language, it does best with JavaScript. Also, more developers are turning to Node.js to build cloud-based apps, a very much in demand market. 9. It's a valuable tool for game designers. Games are a big business today, and developers who know JavaScript have that extra advantage. The language's versatility, power, and the ability to create visual effects make it a perfect fit for game developers. 10. Finally, the career potential is skyrocketing. With an increasing number of businesses and organizations going digital, there is a corresponding increase in demand for developers who are familiar with the better known programming languages, as we have already noted, that's JavaScript. As it happens, there is also a shortage of good JavaScript developers, so you have increased demand in conjunction with a deficit of qualified people. According to a report released by DevScholar.com, 70% of companies surveyed want to hire a JavaScript developer. So, I think you have understood why you should learn JavaScript. So, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get notified when I upload the new videos. Thank you very much.